there are some rules that the FAA, Federal Aviation Administration, has regarding air shows. Some of those, and the airspace all around Jacksonville and all over the United States, some of those rules have been waived or set aside. It means we can go faster than 250 knots, or about 280 some miles an hour below 10,000 feet. As a matter of fact, we'll have some of the airplanes going over 600 miles an hour. Let's listen. Considered the man who really perfected the jet-powered vehicle. He runs drag strips, and he's got 2 jet engines on the back. Listen to the thrust. Those 2 jet engines are Pratt & Whitney J34s. They generate about 5,000 pounds of thrust each. The same kind of engines that were used on the Navy's T2 Buckeye jet trainer back in the 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 80s, I should say. And he's got it on a 57 Chevy truck. Now, I will tell you that one time in my life, about 20 years ago, I sat in the right seat of that very vehicle and got up to over 300